Hello viewers, this is Smita Sthana. Welcome to our channel St. Xavier's School Hardoi. Till now, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Hit the bell icon for further notification. If you like the video, then like it and share among your friends. So students, our today's topic is transportation. Transportation. Kids, what is transportation? Do you know? No. I will tell you. The movement of humans, animals, and goods from one place to another is called transportation. Now, what is means of transportation? Means of transportation means? Okay, now let me know how many of you want to go to see India Gate? I know so many of you. So you need train, car, bus, aeroplane to go to Delhi, isn't it or not? Yes, you need vehicles to go to another place. So means of transport are very important in our life. If there is no means of transport, how would you go somewhere? So what I will say, the vehicles which we use to go from one place to another are called means of transport. So here I will tell you three types of transport. First is land transport, second is air transport, and the third one is water transport. Let us learn about it. Land transport. Land transport consists of vehicles that move on land. If you want to go your nanny's home, how you will go? You will go with the bus, car, rickshaw, isn't it? If your nanny is living in Lucknow, how you will go? You will go with the train or car. So then which car or train we are using, that is land transport. So I will tell you some example of land transport. See, bus, truck, tractor, train, motorcycle, car, etc. These are all which type of transport? Yes, land transport. Now second one, air transport. Air transport consists of vehicles which fly in the air. It is the fastest means of transport. Now students, let me know if you want. I want to go to Switzerland. How I will go? I will go with the rickshaw? No. I will go with the train? No. So how I will go? I will go with the aeroplane or helicopter. So these all are air transport. See, airplane, helicopter, glider, hot air balloon, biplane, space shuttle. These all are air transport. Water transport. Some means of transport sail on water. Have you seen ship or boat? Yes or no? Yes. So the ship or boat is water transport. See, boat, ship, cargo ship, pirate ship, submarine, these all are water transport. Now the time of quiz and activity. Let me see how you have learned the things. So, here is the activity number 1. Underline the correct option. First is, train is the fastest means of land transport or air transport. Second, an aeroplane is the best example of water transport or air transport. Third is, dash is the best example of water transport. Is it bus or boat? Think. Now one by one you will come to me and underline. So, see here, first what I told you, train is the fastest means of land transport or air transport. So this boy has done underline on land transport. Is it correct? How many of you are saying correct? Many of you. Very good. It is correct. Train is the fastest means of land transport. Very good. Next, an aeroplane is the best example of water transport or air transport. So this girl has done underline on air transport. Is it correct or wrong? Correct now? Very good. An aeroplane is the best example of air transport. Now third, dash is the best example of water transport. So this boy has done underline on B option. What is written here? B-O-A-T, boat. Isn't it? Say with me. B-O-A-T, boat. It is the example of water transport. Very good. Yes. So boat is the best example of water transport. Now let's do the second activity. Circle the odd one. Here some words are given below. See. So you have to identify odd word. So now let me know, boat is a which transport? Is it land transport or water transport? Water transport. Very good. Steamer. Again water transport. Car. Land transport. Ship. Yes, water transport. So one of you come and do the circle. Like this we are going to do these four. So the first one you have circle on car because it is land transport. Very good. Rest all are water transport. Now second question. Aeroplane, rocket, helicopter, car. So now you will stand up and you will tell me aeroplane is which type of transport? Yes, it is air transport. Rocket? Yes, it is also air transport. Helicopter? Yes, very good. Air transport. So, which one is left? Car. Which transport is this? It is land transport. Very good. So, you have encircled the car. Very good. Now, come on third one. Cycle, rickshaw, bus or ship? So, now who will come? Okay, the last one. Boy, you will come. Yes, you have to circle the odd one. Yes, you have circled on ship. Which type of transport it is? Yes, water transport. So cycle, rickshaw, bus, they all are land transport and ship is water transport. Very good. Now fourth, jet plane, scooter, aeroplane. Now you will come and encircle it. Very good. Scooter. Now students, tell me it is correct. Scooter. Yes, it is odd one because jet plane is a air transport. Aeroplane is also air transport, but a scooter is land transport. Very good. Now, see, this is Ria. Her uncle is living in Switzerland. So, she wants to go to Switzerland from Lucknow. How she will go? Which type of transport she will use? Land transport, water transport or air transport? Yes, she will use air transport. Very good. She will go with the flight or aeroplane. Very good. So, today's homework is you all have to draw a picture of boat. Tomorrow I will come again. Okay? Till then, bye-bye.